If you're looking for the best secrets to make your skin glow naturally without using skincare products, you're in the right place. By following the tips I'm about to share in this video, your skin will always shine. My pretties, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's get started. Face steam. Choosing between cold and hot steam for your face depends on your skin type and specific needs. Hot steam helps open up pores and removes impurities and excess oil. This type of steam can assist in deeper cleansing and may help reduce acne. Use hot steam 3 times a week for optimal results. Cold steam helps reduce inflammation, puffiness, and redness. It helps to keep the skin hydrated and can be soothing for dry and sensitive skin. Cold steam is usually less irritating, making it ideal for those with easily irritated skin. You can use both hot and cold steam periodically to enjoy the benefits of each. Shaving the face. The best way to shave facial hair is to use a razor specifically designed for the face. Use facial razors that are made for sensitive skin. 2 or 3 blade razors are usually better for this purpose. Always wash your face with warm water and a mild cleanser before shaving to remove dirt and oil. Avoid pressing too hard with the razor, as too much pressure can cause irritation and breakouts. After shaving, rinse your face with cold water to close pores and reduce inflammation. Post-shave, your skin will feel softer and look more radiant. Face icing. Always rub an ice cube directly onto your face after washing to close pores. You can mix extracts like aloe vera, rose water, or lemon juice with water and freeze them in ice cube trays. Once frozen, rub these ice cubes on your face. This technique helps rejuvenate and brighten your skin. If you have sunburn, ice can help soothe the skin. Wrap the ice in a cloth and gently rub it on the affected areas. Face massage. Face massage can improve blood circulation, reduce stress, and give your skin a natural glow. Wash your face and hands with a cleanser before starting. The most effective tools for face massage are face roller and gua sha, but don't worry if you don't have them, you can always use your hands. Use circular motions for a relaxing experience. Apply gentle pressure and avoid pulling or pressing too hard on the skin. Massage each area of your face for 1 to 2 minutes. Sunscreen. Using sunscreen is one of the most important steps in skincare and helps prevent sun damage. Always wear sunscreen. Choose one with at least SPF 30, and higher SPF levels offer even more protection. Even on cloudy days or in colder seasons, wear sunscreen, as UV rays can penetrate through clouds. This should be a part of your daily skincare routine and taken seriously. Face scrub. Mix a little sugar with some water or olive oil and gently massage it onto your skin and lips. If you have oily skin, you can add a bit of lemon juice to the sugar mixture. This will help remove dead skin cells. After 5 minutes, rinse off with warm water. If your skin is sensitive or irritated, avoid exfoliating with sugar or do it very gently.